All right, Mike Nelson's here now. Wind, a big issue, a big concern tonight for those firefighters out in Summit County.
And we'll get it again tomorrow because we'll have more of these high base thunderstorms where the bottom of the storm is at a much higher elevation. You don't get much rain up. I have an example of it, show you in this time lapse from earlier today. This is what it looked like up in the Loveland ski area, and these are the same storms that went over Breckenridge. Watch, you get a little bit of rain there, just goes by, but mostly these storms, because they're so high-based, don't produce any precipitation that reaches the ground to any extent, but they do cause locally very gusty winds and lightning. Down here, it has been very dry since the beginning of June. Only 1/3 of an inch of rainfall. That's about 2 inches below where we should be, and it's showing up, folks, because we had some fire problems in the metro related to some fireworks over the last 24 hours as well. It's still 79 downtown, 75 at DI, 29% humidity. Winds are from the south-southeast at 14, and the pressure rising. 98 was the high. That's only 3 shy of tying the record back in 1989. 10 degrees warmer than the normal for this time in early July. And look at the numbers across the region. 105 up at Rapid City, Pierce, South Dakota, 104, Las Vegas, 111, and Phoenix, 112 degrees. So here's the situation across the western part of the country. Not much moisture anywhere near us. We're watching down to the south to see if that monsoon pattern might begin to kick in down here, but it's just not really going yet. Not really seeing that organized tropical moisture coming up into Arizona and eventually flowing into Colorado. Probably at least a good week away from that. To the north, one severe weather watch in the Dakotas, part of a cold front that is going to slip in here late Friday and bring us a little bit of relief from the heat and a chance of some rain as we head into the weekend. Not tonight, though. Look at these numbers. Even now to 2 a.m., it's going to stay in the 70s, even mid to upper 70s. Skies will be mostly clear. By morning, clear sky, very mild conditions with lows dropping into the 60s along the Front Range. We'll call it about 65 for downtown and out at the airport, 67 at Broomfield, even at Winter Park, 53 by morning. Tomorrow it's going to heat up just like today. Sunshine, hot in the morning, 90 by 10 a.m. By lunchtime, we're into the low 90s. In the afternoon, mid to upper 90s expected. And just a few of those gusty, high-base thunderstorms around, offering again more wind and lightning than rainfall. Temperatures are very warm again tomorrow with highs into the 90s, even 100 degrees at Fort Morgan, 70s and 80s up in the mountains. So tonight it's mostly clear and very mild, 65 for a low temperature. Tomorrow another scorcher, high temperature getting up to 97 degrees, hot, dry, a few gusty storms around in the afternoon. Looking ahead, more of the same for Friday for the most part, but as that cold front to the north of us begins to slide in, there will be a slightly better chance of getting some thunderstorms to produce rain in the afternoon. Temperatures not quite as hot. Best chance for storms will be Saturday and just in the upper 80s. That'll be our first alert weather day as well, with a few severe storms possible. Then it's right back to the heat Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and perhaps by the middle of next week, a little bit of that monsoon flow might just start to get here. Remember, hot car reminder in just a few minutes. 95 outside, 114 inside your car. Keep the windows cracked.
Absolutely.
No pets or kids in those cars.
Right.
Thanks, Mike.
Thank you, Mike.